Hello, future makers. Good morning. I just got up. I fed Kian. Kian's been playing. I'll show you in a while how Kian's been. Also, today I'm going to take you through a day in my life. I have a lot planned today. So let's see how it goes. You all will be able to come with me through each and every tiny process that is a part of a shoot day in my life. Since I have an educational channel, and I have Super September going on, so I tend to batch create my content, which is shooting a lot many videos in a day, so that in the flow state I can shoot in a day and then get done with so many things. So let's see how it goes. For now, I've just gotten up, done nothing. This is just my morning face. I've just opened my hair so that I could vlog, and I'll freshen up and go for my morning tea and coffee and take you all along with me. So let's go. So guys, it has been more than 1 hour that I've been awake, but now I'm having my coffee because Kian was up again and I had to feed him and I had to cater to him. Then I got finally time to make some coffee for myself. I'm now having coffee and now I have plans for shooting 6 videos and at least 10 reels today. That's how the plan is. Let's see how it goes. So once I have my coffee, I'm gonna head over to bath and then let's see how the remaining days goes. Please stay tuned to know whether I finish my goal, and if I finish my goal, I've promised myself to reward. So let's see what the reward is and how my day goes. Let's meet up at the end and see if I can have the reward or I cannot have the reward. Let's see. So guys, here's a quick update. Kian is doing his massage and bath and that all is going on. Till then, I've taken my bath. I've worn my outfit number 1 and let's see how the day goes. I have worn my accessories. I still have to do my skincare and makeup and hair, as you can see. But meanwhile, I got ready everything that was required for Kian massage. Now when Kian is massaging and doing all the stuff, I'll do my makeup if possible. I'll feed him, put him to sleep, and then we'll proceed to shooting the video number 1 and 2 hopefully, and at least 3 reels. Let's see how it goes. Let's go. Hey Kian! Kian! Ugra! Hi! Hi my fresh baby! Chiku! So guys, now I'm done with my hair and makeup as you all had seen in the vlog. Now I'm laying out all the costumes and equipments that I would require in my shoot. Meanwhile, Kian is sleeping, so let's see how much we can get done in this hour. Let's go. Guys, apparently if you have a OnePlus and you want a mic, you need this cord. And I usually shoot on my phone only, so this is the cord that I set up, and now the mic is ready. Let's shoot. So guys, prepping for the final shoot, it's about to begin. This is my reference notes, that's how I make it. And this is my water because I'm very thirsty when I'm talking and I need a lot of water. So guys, this second video is shot and so far the update is that we've shot 2 videos already. Now it's time for a change and some lunch. Also Kian is about to get up, so first I'll feed Kian, change my clothes, sit for lunch. Let's see what I do after that. But I'm so happy that 2 videos are over and after so long I had been shooting. I hope the emotional turmoil is okay and I hope I'm able to finish my task, that is 7 videos and 10 reels tonight, so that I can have my reward at the end of the day. Let's see how it goes. So guys, the update is that I've worn my literally ghar ka pajame ka t-shirt. I've kept the accessories and makeup as it is, tied my hair. Now I'm having my lunch and after having lunch I'll feed Kian. Maybe I'll take a small nap and then shoot. So guys, just a quick update. Kian was fed and he has slept. My also battery is a bit low because of course I can't sleep normally at times, so I have to sleep in the afternoon, and the phone's battery is also not very well charged. So now I'll keep my phone on charge, have a quick afternoon nap, and see you after the nap. Bye. So guys, Kian was here for a feed. I have already fed him and he might sleep soon. In the meanwhile, I was doing some last minute changes. I took printout of the scripts that are ready. These are the scripts that Shruti has helped us write. So if you want to know who Shruti is our content writer. I'll link her Instagram handle in the description box below. Make sure you check her out. She's just 70 but she has amazing work skills. And now, heading back to my work, handling Kian and doing the work and then getting ready for the shoot. See you in the evening. So guys, I've just made up my hair. Ansh is also here. He's shooting my videos and the change is done. So now we are ready for a second set of videos. I have my specs ready because some part of the shoot requires that I wear my specs and then I have to keep on changing throughout. So let's get ahead and I'll take you through. So guys, here's the specs, here's the script, and we are starting with shoot number 2. Let's see how it goes. Shoot number 2 is over. It was tiring, I'm telling you. Kian called me for feed like twice in the middle, so I had to stop the shoot, go there, come back. It's going on. I have to still change the outfit for outfit number 3 and come back to shoot. Yeah, I will do that, though I'm very tired. I think I need my shot of coffee and a change and I'll be back. Here is my cold coffee, so that I have energy left for the last shoot of the day. And in the meanwhile, while making cold coffee, I realized that YouTube videos तो मैंने अच्छे से कर लिया है, but reels are completely left. I don't think I might have the energy for the reels, but let's take the challenge. हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा. Let's do it. I just changed in my outfit number 3 when I heard this. I changed to my outfit number 3. Kian was crying. I fed Kian and still he's in a playful mood and my husband's not at home right now. So I put Kian in his cot. I gave him his toys and here I will continue shooting my shoot number 3. Let's see if I can complete it. Also a quick update that I've also shot 4 reels in the previous costume. I hope I'm able to complete 10 reels by the end of the day and 7 YouTube videos as promised. Let's see if I can do it by tonight. Kian's been playing in his cot and we are about to start the shoot. I still have to do my hair and makeup, as you can see. I was just browsing through the script one so that it's easier for me to shoot. Here's my water, here's my script. I have to do my hair and then let's start shooting. Let's see how it goes. अब से राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा, राजा वो बनेगा जो हकदार है. As a teacher, you also have the opportunity where you can change the education system, even if it could be with one student in your hand. He took up 30 students and made a Super 30 batch and made them excel in their educational careers. This is what you can do as a teacher if you wish to do so. Are you also inspired by him to start and make a change with even one student in your classroom? Please welcome. So guys, we still have half a video and few reels to go, but my voice is already breaking. I'm forgetting what to talk and it's being a problem, but let's go through it. This is getting really difficult for me, but I'll still go through it because last video, I hope I'm able to finish it off. Guys, we are finally done with all the YouTube shooting. I'm really tired. Taking out my mic. This is very tiring, man. I won't suggest anybody to do this, but I had a challenge for myself and I was doing it. Guys, I think you can already tell from my face that I'm very tired. First thing that I'll do is change my clothes, tie my hair, and I'll see you again
for dinner. Also, we still have to clean up all the mess that we've created throughout the day. I will show you and I will clean up before I go for the recording. So guys, I finished my dinner, also cleaned up a mess a bit and cleaned my kitchen as well as dining area and the living area because that's where we were shooting. Now I'm heading off to removing my makeup and maybe a bowl full of ice cream. Let's see what we do. So guys, thank you for being with me throughout a shoot day in my life. I'm ending this video here. Yes, I've completed my mission of shooting 7 YouTube videos in a day and close to 5 reels, which is half the amount of reels that I thought. But I think it's already a celebration with feeding in the middle, with being a new mom. I think it's too much to accomplish and now I'm heading over to my ice cream. Until then, see you next time in another raw and real teacher vlog. Bye.